guys, so we are in this beautiful 2,300 square foot home, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage home. Now this one is really nice, and they're actually offering $12,000 towards your closing costs. And they have it right now where they're buying down the interest rate. So they're buying down the interest rates to a 4.75%, and that's for FHA. If you guys are doing conventional, they can buy it all the way down to 4.9%. So if you guys are like, oh my gosh, I don't like the interest rates, and this can be a great one for you, and the price is really nice too, you guys. So definitely let me know if you like this one. What we just looked at right here is their guest bedroom, and then they have their closet right here. So a nice size closet for the guest bedroom. They don't have it here right now for the model, but they will have a door right here that will take you right into the full bathroom. So you'll have one full bath downstairs connected to the guest bedroom. So that's really nice. This right here is the garage. I showed you the mud area here. Can't really call it a room, but that is really nice. That was the office area there. I really want to go upstairs first, and then we'll come back downstairs and see everything else. Okay, now if this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Rickita. I always have real estate events, maybe credit events, trying to help you guys who have a lower credit score fix your credit. So definitely contact me if you guys have any questions. So this is their beautiful loft right up here. So this is really nice. And we have a bedroom right here. So this may be the master bedroom here, because I see bathroom connected. Okay, this is really nice. Oh, a beautiful closet. And they have their toilet here. Okay, so double vanity. I really like that. And again, here is the master bedroom here. Now let's go over here. So here is a bedroom here. And then there are closets here. Oh, can't open it, but there's a closet. Let's see if we can look at the one in the girls' room. Okay, some space for your storage. Go right there. They have laundry chutes in all of their 2-story homes, so I really like that. We're going to look at the laundry room after we go back downstairs. This bedroom is so pretty. Let's see if we can look at the size of the closet. Nope, can't look at the size of the closet, but I'm going to guess that it is a nice size closet. And then here is the bathroom, you guys. Okay, that's really nice. And then this is where your furnace will be at. Okay, so then that is the full upstairs. So let's go downstairs and look at the kitchen, look at the laundry room, and look at the backyard. Now, she said that usually they have carpet, so I'm guessing they just have this right now for the model, but usually they have carpet. So you guys will have carpet in your home. Now this builder, they have other communities, and then they have another community where they're offering $15,000 towards closing costs, which is really nice, and they're paying your first year of HOA fees. So definitely let me know if you have any questions, because I will make sure I answer them for you and get back to you right away. So you can call me too. My phone number is 407-374-2747. So here is the living room and their beautiful kitchen, and the appliances are included. So you guys will have the fridge, stove, microwave, plus you guys will get the washer and dryer. I can't actually show you their pantry here because it is locked, but hopefully you guys can, you know, have a good imagination and guess what size it actually is. Oh, and they look dining area too. I didn't say that. Now, all of their homes have lanai, and then all of them have pavers here, so it's really nice. You guys can actually get something put up so that you can't get bugs in here, where it's like some type of screen put up so that, you know, if you want to be outside, you know, we have a lot of bugs in Florida. You guys don't have to worry about the bugs, and you guys will have a nice size backyard too. So this part would be your yard. This part right here would be your yard also, and it would come all the way over here. So it's big enough if you guys do want to put a pool in your yard. It is big enough for that. But I really, really love this home. Let me know what you guys think of it. I think it's really beautiful. I think it's something that you guys should definitely look into, especially knowing that they're offering at $12,000 plus that 4.75% APR. And that's something really nice. Let's look at the fridge. Okay, this is really nice. And then your cabinets here. A lot of space. You guys have a lot of cabinet space here. A lot of drawer space too. And then here is your dishwasher right here. So that's really, really nice. And then your sink. More space. So you guys have a lot to choose from here, and I wanted to show you guys they have a ring outside. All of their homes are smart homes. So as you can hear, front door. So you guys will have the keypad there for your lock, and then you guys will have a ring there, and then also you guys will be able to plug up USB too. So they have like the regular outlets, plus they have the USB ports. So that is really nice, you guys. And I just love that the guest bedroom is downstairs. You know, I told you guys about letting your kids stay with you. This can be perfect for them, letting them stay downstairs, and they'll be able to have their own bathroom, their own bedroom. This is really nice. Or if you want to have your parents stay with you, they literally right off of the front door and the garage. So that's really, really nice. Not a lot of walking. But hopefully you guys love this home. Don't forget to call me. My phone number is 407-374-2747. I look forward to helping you guys, and go ahead and get these homes while they're still having that 4.75% interest rates, because interest rates right now are actually in the 7%. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.